Good morning. My name is Bill. This is Yo-Yo Tech. Today we're going to do a really simple piece. I get questions a lot from people, what is better, this or that, tech reviews, things like that. So what I want to do is try doing a shorter video every week where maybe I answer a question that you have or I look at a product, but I give you kind of a quick review, not a big 15-minute review, a 2-3 minute review, kind of the down and dirty of it, let you make a decision. So if you guys have questions, I would definitely love for you to leave them in the comments below. If there's something you're trying to decide to get, whether it's this one or that one, if there's a product you're trying to make a decision on, guys, these are going to be my opinions. They're going to be what I think about them, but please leave some comments down below. I'm going to take a look at those. I'm going to try to pick some of the best questions or comments or things that I feel that I can give good feedback on, and we're going to do some quick videos to get those answers out there. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button because, of course, that way you get notified as soon as the new videos come out. And guys, if you like this video, you think this is a good idea, you think it's a great series, give me the thumbs up and we're gonna see how it works. As always, we'll try it out, we'll see where it goes. So today, what I wanna do is really quickly answer LIFX or Philips Hue. Which one do I prefer and why? So Philips Hue is the one that has been out the longest. And you know what? They've got a good selection of products. They're starting to spread out now. They have all sorts of different types of bulb sizes. They've got light strips. And you know what? What they do it really well. They've got pure white bulbs and they've got the color bulbs. Their app has come a long way. I really think the app has matured over time. Now, LIFX, it is kind of the later to the game. It has also got a wider range of bulbs now. You can get them for your pot lights, you can get them for indoor, outdoor, you can get different colors, black bulbs, white bulbs, you can get bigger ones, smaller ones. LIFX even has their LIFX tile now, which is a similar to the Nano Leaf if you've ever seen them, but they're basically a panel that you can put on your wall. They're really cool. You can actually do a little clock on it. You can have different colors waving in and out. One of the things that I did not like about LIFX in the beginning was their bulbs were really big and they actually got quite hot, but they've now come out with these newer LIFX minis, which I think are fantastic bulbs. They're pretty much the exact same size as a regular light bulb or a traditional light bulb, and I've used them in quite a few places. Now, the Philips Hue has always had that. They've got a good size bulb here. They actually have some different ones. This is just one that I had a round. So where am I going with all this? Well, I think the bottom line is this. Both of them have fantastic offerings. The bulbs themselves, the technology has gotten to a point where it's working quite well. The LIFX app has also gone through a lot of change over the years, and I think at this point it is a good, solid app. Now, which one would I choose? LIFX wins it, and I'm going to tell you why. LIFX is a Wi-Fi based bulb. You don't need a hub, you don't need anything else to be working with it. So all of your devices sit on your network, they connect directly to your Wi-Fi, they can be monitored through your Wi-Fi, you can see them as devices in your router, and for me, that is fantastic. It helps me troubleshoot actual bulbs, and it removes the abstraction layer. For those of you who are familiar, when you run the Philips Hue system, it's actually a Zigbee-based network. The Zigbee bulbs need to talk to the Philips Hue hub. The actual management of that Zigbee network is out of the hands of the user. And it's great when things work well, but when things don't work well, there's really little that you can do to figure it out. So for me, I think that I like the LIFX bulbs the best. That would be my recommendation. I think bulb, like for like, they all pretty much do the same things nowadays. App-wise, they're both pretty much the same, but the LIFX bulbs, in my opinion, by eliminating that hub, that extra layer of complexity, would be my choice. So guys, today, the clear winner for me is LIFX. Both are awesome. I use both of them. But if you ask me which one I prefer, it's going to be LIFX. Thank you for watching today. If you found this video helpful, if you think this is a good idea, these short little segments, thumbs up please. Comments below. Questions you have, put them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and that's all I got.